Hello, fellow Rosarians. Thank you for joining me today for our 13th Gardener's Giveaway video. E-blooms are looking fantastic. This is day 5, and I see now that I think it's Juliet has opened up. So I've got Juliet, I've got Princess Charlene de Monaco. So 2 days ago, we did a video for Dodd roses, and this is a new vendor. And I wanted to thank everybody. We asked you to go check out the site, click on things, check the hyperlinks, and let us know if there were any issues. And then also to let us know if there were any features that you were looking for in the future, if you were going to be using that website. So thank you. And I know that Vanessa appreciates the input that you were able to give. So with that, Dodd Roses would like to offer a rose giveaway. She's giving the option of a 3-gallon William Morris or a 1-gallon Evelyn. And it was interesting as I was going through all the comments and looking to tally them up to just see where the interest was for the roses. 67% of you chose Evelyn. So that's just a fun fact for you. So let's go ahead and get into the drawing. Small change. Dodd Roses has offered to give away both roses. So we're going to give away an Evelyn and the William Morris. I told you guys that Vanessa was a giver. I mean, she's constantly giving things away. So let's go ahead and get into the drawing and pick 2 winners. Our first winner is Michelle B. And it says, "Yay to a new vendor." I don't even know which I would pick. Both Evelyn and William Morris are beautiful roses. So let's go ahead and pick our second winner, and hopefully they will choose either William Morris or Evelyn so that we know which one Michelle is going to get. So our second winner is Ruth Keeling Holt. And let's see, Ruth says, "I cannot even say which one I would want because I want them all." So now we've got a problem, don't we? Let me go ahead and pick, since you both would be agreeable with either rose, and they're both fantastic. You're going to be so happy. So we're going to go ahead and give the Evelyn to Michelle B, and we'll give the William Morris to Ruth Keeling Holt. So thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and commenting. For everybody else that's watching, we've got some more rose giveaways in a couple of days, so keep watching. So let's go ahead and get started now and talk about Paul Zimmerman. Paul Zimmerman, as you know, is a real staple in the rose community. He has a real knack for simplifying things. Paul has touched everything. I mean, he has contributed to publications besides writing his own book. He's constantly speaking. He is the head consultant for Jackson & Perkins. He was consulting for the Biltmore. I hope you've had an opportunity to check out his YouTube channel, but if you haven't, I think he's got 24,000 subscribers, and that says a lot. Paul is constantly cranking out videos that are easy to understand, and he teaches you how to train a climber, prune roses, deadheading. I mean, everything that you would need to know about a rose, Paul's probably got a video on it. I know that I'm going to be checking out his videos on pegging roses, because next year I have, I think, almost 20 roses that I want to try to peg. So I will definitely be checking out his site. If you are looking for a Facebook group to join, his Facebook group has, I think, 13,000 members. And when you have that large of a group, there's constantly something going on. Beautiful pictures, thought-provoking questions. So that's another fun site to be a part of. Paul has a web page also, and I'm going to go ahead and put the link here. On his web page, it has a ton of information. In addition, I want you to check out his bio. There is some really fun information, and I'm not going to spoil it for you because I really want you guys to check it out. There's a lot of fun things in there about Paul. So I mentioned to you when we did our great gifts for Rosarians, Paul's name came up twice. In the event that you're looking for a gift for a gardener, he has a book, and I am hoping that Santa Claus will bring that to me this year. His book is called Everyday Roses, and you need to allow 2 weeks once you order it so that he can sign it and send it out to you. Paul also offers consulting services, and he can do it virtually which is awesome because I think he's in South Carolina and I'm in Maryland. And I'm really hoping that that's another gift that Santa Claus will consider for me. I would love to have Paul come and consult here for us and give me that 1-hour consult. It's always good to have another set of eyes on it and to take it to that next level. So that is just another fun idea to consider when it comes to gift giving. Paul would like to give away 2 signed copies of his book. What I'd like you to do to be entered in the drawing is I would like for you to go to Paul's webpage, and I really would like for you to look at his bio. And then I'd like you to report back with one fun fact that you found on his site. It could be on his bio, it could be something else on the site. So thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you for tomorrow's giveaway.